Sometimes we move through life step by step. But sometimes life invites us or requires us to jump, to make a leap. Today we're going to write about the leap. Hello writers, welcome to The Right Thing to Do. My name is Elaine Konopka, and today's writing is all about a leap of faith. I want you to think about a time in your life when instead of progressing forward, of knowing exactly where you were going, planning and doing one thing after another, and moving from point A to point B in a linear step-by-step fashion, you were required, or you decided to jump, to dive in, to not know exactly where you were going or how it was going to turn out, to skip some steps, to burn your bridges, to jump. Okay, so take a few seconds. This is one of those prompts where you can't just necessarily start writing and have it. You do have to think about it for a few seconds. So go ahead. I'll wait. Have an idea? It can be something related to your work. Perhaps it has to do with a relationship. Relationships are often leaps of faith. Having a baby. Huge leap of faith, having a child. Taking a trip. So think about what instance in your life were you faced with really having to go forward into the unknown. You'll have 6 minutes today to write about this time in your life. 6 minutes about your leap of faith. Go. And that's 6 minutes. So please finish your sentence. Hang on to your pen. We're going to do another one. And the question is this: what might have happened had you not taken the leap? So let yourself imagine it. Make it up. Think about it. But use the basis of reality, what things were like and the direction they might have gone in. You'll have 3 minutes to contemplate this on paper. Do your thinking on the page. Just a word here, please remember that when we're doing this writing, we're not at all concerned about grammar or spelling or the form of it. Okay? The idea is just to allow your thoughts to come out onto the page without any criticism or editing. So here you go, 3 minutes. And that's 3 minutes. So you can finish your sentence and put down your pen. That's our writing for today. I'm wondering what, if anything, you gleaned from this exercise. If you were able to learn something about yourself and about the notion of trust. Because you trusted something when you made that leap. Maybe you trusted your own instinct. Maybe you trusted something else. And what was that something else? And how did that work out for you? And do you feel you could trust it again? Would you recognize it if it came again and spoke to you? So many questions, so many things to write about. Honest to goodness. But that's it for today. Please like this video if you had a good time writing with me here. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. And I hope you come back again soon and write. Until then, maybe look before you leap. But if you do leap, I hope you land well. See you soon. Bye-bye.